This is the NOCO Boost X portable lithium jumpstarter. This thing is powered with a USB-C power bank charger, the jumper cables that are up to 10-liter gasoline and 8-liter diesel engines. This is the portable lithium car battery jumpstarter, releases maximum energy at every start. It operates in temps from -4 degrees to 122 degrees. It completely recharges in just 2.7 hours and go from 0% to jump starting in just 5 minutes of charging. You can use this on cars, motorcycles, trucks, ATVs, boats, RVs, vans, SUVs, tractors, and more. Here's what you get with the Booster X. You get the UltraSafe portable lithium car battery booster, jump starter pack, and the power bank with 60-watt USB-C power delivery, the heavy-duty jumper cable clamps, the USB-C charging cable, the 12-volt USB-C fast charger, a microfiber storage bag, a 1-year warranty, and this is all designed in the USA.